Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Hyundai Kona service light. This quick guide will help you clear that pesky reminder without needing any special tools. We'll walk through the steps together, making sure you can easily follow along. By the end, your service light will be off, and you'll be ready to drive with peace of mind. Let's get started right away with the first step. First, get into your Kona and turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine. You'll want to use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate the display. Look for the User Settings menu. Once you're in there, scroll down until you find an option like Service Interval or Maintenance. This is where we'll begin the reset process. Now that you've found the Service Interval menu, you should see an option to reset the service data. Select this option carefully. The system will likely ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm it. Once confirmed, the service light on your dashboard should immediately turn off, indicating a successful reset. It's that simple to clear the reminder. To ensure everything worked correctly, double-check your dashboard to confirm the service light is no longer illuminated. While resetting the light is easy, remember that regular maintenance is crucial for your vehicle's longevity. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific details about your Kona model and its recommended service schedule. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.